How to set up Do Not Disturb schedule on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we scroll down and tap on notifications. Then scroll down and tap on Do Not Disturb. Next, to set up the Do Not Disturb schedule, tap on Add Schedule and give your schedule a name. So here, let's say late night. And then select the day, say Friday and Saturday. So I'll deselect all of this. And then we'll set it to Friday and Saturday only. And here we set the Do Not Disturb schedule, say at 12 p.m. and end at 7 a.m. and tap on Done. Then tap on Saved. Okay, so now we have managed to set up a schedule. So between 12 a.m. and 7 a.m. on Friday and Saturday, Do Not Disturb will automatically switch on between that time. After that, it will switch off at 7 a.m. And once you have set up the schedule, you can also customize calls and messages. Now, by default, it is set to none allowed. No apps are allowed to disturb you during that time. If you want to add in some exception, you can add in the app to the list of exceptions. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.